Good morning, all of you. Today I will start with numerical based on law of conservation of momentum. Now the first one is a 10-gram bullet is shot from a 5 kg gun. See here, mass of the bullet is given 10 gram and mass of the gun is given 5 kg. It is in kg, it is in gram. So convert mass of bullet into kg. Divide it by 1000, you will get mass of bullet in kg. With the velocity of 400 meter per second, velocity of bullet is 400 meter per second. What is the speed of recoil of the gun? You are asked to find out recoil velocity of the gun. So let us start the solution. Mass of the bullet is given 10 gram. Divided by 1000, you will get mass of the bullet in kg. So 1 by 100, it is, you are getting 10, divide 10 by 1000, you will get 1 by 100 kg. Mass of the gun is given 5 kg. Initial velocity of the bullet is given 400 meter per second. You are asked to find out what is the final velocity of the recoil velocity of the gun, that is capital V. So capital V equals to minus M into U. Here M is mass of bullet, U is velocity of bullet divided by mass of gun. This is equal to minus 1 by 100 into 400 by mass of the gun is 5 divided by 5. 0 will get cancelled. You are getting minus 4 by 5, which is equal to minus 8 meter per second. Now second question. A boy of mass 60 kg running at 3 meter per second. Mass of the boy is given 60 kg. Velocity of the boy, initial velocity is 3 meter per second. Jump on a trolley of mass. Mass of the trolley is given 140 kg, which is moving with a velocity of 1.5 meter per second. So here it is given mass of trolley 140 kg and velocity of trolley is 1.5 meter per second. In the same direction, both the boy and the trolley are moving in the same direction. What is their common velocity? As the boy jump into the trolley, so what will happen? They both start moving with a common velocity. We have to find it out. Now come to the solution. Here mass of the boy is given 60 kg. Initial velocity of the boy is given 3 meter per second. Mass of bullet is given, mass of trolley is given 40 kg and velocity of trolley is given 1.5 meter per second. You are asked to find out the common velocity of the boy and the trolley. Applying law of conservation of momentum, m1 plus m2, close it in the bracket, into v, this is the common velocity. This is equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2. Now substitute the value. M1 is mass of the boy, it is 60, plus M2 is mass of the trolley, it is 40. So 60 plus 40, you are getting 100 V. This is equal to M1 is 60 and U1 is 3. So 6 3 to 18, you are getting 180, plus M2 is 40 and U2 is 1.5. 1.5 means 15 by 10. 0 will get cancelled. You are getting 15 for just 60. Now add 180 plus 60. You are getting 240. 100 V is equal to 240. So V equals to 240 by 100. 0 will get cancelled. You are getting 2.4 meter per second. Number 3. Number 3 is a car A. There are two cars. Car A is having mass of 1500 kg, traveling at 25 meter per second. Collide with another car B of mass 1000 kg. So mass of car A is 1500 kg and mass of car B is 1000 kg, which is moving with a velocity of 15 meter per second. So initial velocity of car A is 25 meter per second and initial velocity of car B is 15 meter per second. They are moving in the same direction. They collide, and after collision, the velocity of car A becomes 20 meter per second. That is V1 is 20 meter per second Calculate the velocity of car B. You are asked to find out the velocity of car B, that is V2. Now come to the solution. See here, mass of car A is 1500 kg. Initial velocity of car A, that is UA, is 25 meter per second. Mass of car B is 1000 kg. Initial velocity of car B is 15 meter per second. Final velocity of car A is 20 meter per second. You are asked to find out final velocity of car B. Applying law of conservation of momentum, that is MAUA plus MBUB will be equals to MAVA plus MBVB. Now substitute the value. MA is 1500, UA is 25, MB is 1000, UB is 15. This is equal to MA is 1500, VA is 20, MB is 1000, and VB you don't know, you are asked to find it out. Now 1500 into 25, when you multiply it, you will get 37,500 plus when you multiply 15 with 1000, you will get 15,000. This is equal to, when you multiply 1500 with 20, you are getting 30,000 plus 1000 VB. Now add this two. When you add this two, you will get 52,500. This is equal to 30,000 plus 1000 VB. Therefore, VB equals to 52,500 minus 3,000 divided by 1000. When you subtract this 52,500 and 30,000, you will get 22,500. Divide it by 1000. You are getting 0 will get 2, 0 will get cancelled, and now you are getting 22.5 meter per second. Next number, number 4. Number 4 is two objects, each of mass 1.5 kg, are moving in the same straight line, but in opposite direction. So mass of first object M1 is equal to mass of second object, that is M2, is equal to 1.5 kg. They are moving in the same straight line but in opposite direction. So the velocity, it is given, the velocity of each object is 2.5 meter per second. So U1 is 2.5 meter per second, then U2 will be minus 2.5 meter per second, because here they are moving in opposite direction. When they are moving in same direction, we will take positive sign. When they move in opposite direction, we will take negative along with the velocity of other object. Now they collide, and during which they stick together. What will be the velocity of combined object after collision? So the two objects stick together, and then after collision they start moving together. You are asked to find out the velocity with which they move together. Come to the solution. Here M1 is equal to M2 equals to 1.5 kg. U1 is 2.5 meter per second. Then U2 equals to minus 2.5 meter per second. You are asked to find out the common velocity, that is V. Now applying law of conservation of momentum, you are getting M1 plus M2, close the bracket, into V. V is the common velocity, equals to M1 U1 plus M2 U2. Now when you add 1.5 plus 1.5, you are getting 3V. This is equal to M1 is 1.5, U1 is 2.5, plus M2 is 1.5 into U2 is minus 2.5. So when you solve it, you will get 0. 3V is equal to 0. Therefore, V equals to 0 meter per second. Next number. A bullet of mass 50 gram is fired from a gun. Right? The mass of the bullet is given 50 gram. It is fired from a gun whose mass is, the mass of the gun is 6 kg. So small m is 50 kg and capital 50 gram. You have to convert it into kg. And capital M is 6 kg. The velocity of the bullet is given 400 meter per second. That is Small v is 400 meter per second. You are asked to find out the recoil velocity of the gun, that is capital V. Come to the solution. Mass of the bullet is given 50 gram. Convert it into kg. 50 by 1000. This is equal to, when you cancel the 0, you are getting 5 by 100, which is equal to 1 by 20 kg. Now mass of the bullet is you are getting 1 by 20 kg, and mass of the gun is 6 kg. Initial velocity of the bullet is 400 meter per second. Final velocity, that is recoil velocity of the gun, you are asked to find it out. Applying the formula, capital V equals to minus small mv by capital M. Now substitute the value minus. In place of small m, you are going to write 1 by 20 into small v is 400 and divide it by capital M, that is 6 kg. When you solve it, you will get minus 20 by 6, which is equal to minus 10 by 3, which is equals to minus 3.33 meter per second. Next is, a machine gun fires 25 bullets at the rate of 600 bullets per minute. Mass of the bullet is given 25 gram. Number of bullets fired per minute is 600. And the speed with which the bullet move is 200 meter per second. You are asked to find out, calculate the force required to keep the bullet in position, gun in position. Now come to the solution. Here mass of the bullet is given 25 gram, convert it into kg, divided by 1000. You are getting 1 by 40 kg. Number of bullets fired per minute, it is given in the question 600. Now you have to just find out number of bullets fired per second. So divided by 60, you are getting 600 by 60. 0 will get cancelled. This is equal to 10. So number of bullets fired per second is 10. We indicate it by small n. Velocity of the bullet is 200 meter per second. Now you are asked to find out force. Force we know, rate of change of momentum. Here momentum is m into v. Total m is number of bullets fired per second. It is m into n by t into v. So m is 1 by 40, n is 10, and v is 200. When you solve it, you will get 50 Newton. Next is, two hockey players of opposite teams. Suppose two teams are there, team A and team B. While trying to hit a hockey ball on the ground, collide and immediately become entangled. Here IN will not be there. E, make correction here. EN, entangled. One has a mass of 60 kg. Suppose the hockey player of team A is, mass of the hockey player of team A is 60 kg and his velocity is 5 meter per second, while the mass of the hockey player of team B is 55 kg and he is moving with a velocity of 6 meter per second. So here M1 is 60 kg, U1 is 5 meter per second, M2 is 55 kg and U2 is 6 meter per second, but they are moving in opposite direction. So we have to take minus sign here, minus 6 meter per second. You are asked to find out in which direction and with what velocity they will move after they entangled. Here also make correction, E will be there. Entangled, E-N, T-A-N-G-L-E-D. So two things you are asked, in which direction will they move and with what velocity will they move. Come to the solution. Here mass of the first player, that is hockey player of team A, 60 kg. His velocity is 5 meter per second. Mass of the second player of team B, it is 55 kg. His velocity is minus 6 meter per second. Don't forget to put minus sign. They are moving in opposite direction. They get entangled and together they move with a certain velocity that you are asked to find it out, that is capital V. applying law of conservation of momentum, that is m1 plus m2, close the bracket, into v. V is the common velocity. This is equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2. Now substitute the value. M1 is 60, M2 is 55. When you add it, you are getting 115, and this is V, that is common velocity. This is equal to M1 is 60, U1 is 5. So 60 into 5, 300, plus M2 is 55 and U2 is minus 6. When you multiply, you are getting minus 330. When you subtract it, 300 minus 330, you are getting minus 30. So V equals to minus 30 by 115. When you solve it, you are getting 6 by 23, which is equal to minus 0.26 meter per second. And they move in the direction of second player, means the direction in which the second player moves. Second player means the player of the second team. This is the direction in which they move together. Now next is the last question. A girl has a mass of 40 kg, jumps with a horizontal velocity of 5 meter per second into a stationary cart. The mass of the cart is 3 kg. What is her velocity as the cart starts moving? Here the mass of the girl is 40 kg. She jumps with the velocity of, initial velocity of the girl is 5 meter per second. And the mass of the cart is 3 kg. The cart is at rest, so the initial velocity of the cart is 0. When she jump on the cart and the girl both start moving. You are asked to find out the common velocity with which they move together. Now come to the solution. Mass of the girl is 40 kg. Her velocity is 5 meter per second. Mass of the cart is 3 kg. Velocity of the cart is 0. It is at rest. You are asked to find out the common velocity with which they move together. Applying law of conservation of momentum, m1 plus m2, you make put it in a bracket into v. V is the common velocity. This is equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2. Now substitute the value. M1 is 40, M2 is 3. So when you add it, you are getting 43 into V. V is the common velocity. This is equal to M1 is 40, U1 is 5. So 40 into 5, you are getting 200, plus M2 is 3 and U2 is 0. So 3 into 0, you will get 0, and 0 plus 200, you are getting 200. Therefore, V equals to 200 by 43. When you solve it, you will get 4.6 meter per second. Now redo all the questions. Even if you have problem, you please write in the chat. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now the chapter is over.